What's up? Welcome back to Toyota and Dodge Garage. Today, going on an adventure. So, come along and see what I'm about to go do.
Tomorrow may not show. Say you're sorry, you're I love you.
We're at Lake Wheeler Park.
If you got a chance, take it. Take it while you got a chance. If you got a dream.
Meeting my brother out here today at Lake Wheeler. I'm actually gonna go kayaking for the first time, so pretty excited about that. Try to get a little bit of footage for y'all, but if you kind of notice what I'm wearing here, well, it looks a little different, doesn't it? Well, I want y'all to go check out Slip-In Surf Skins and check out their UPF 60 plus suits called dive skins, but they have a bunch of different products. This one is called the Powerhouse pattern, also known as, to me, as my lizard suit, because it looks kind of like salamanders, got the orange and black. But yeah, go check them out. They got some pretty cool products, and with my I have to be very careful with the sun, getting sunburn, so I don't mess around with it. So all I have to do when I have this suit is put on sunscreen on my face and ears and neck, and if you have to be careful with the sun, which everyone should, because it helps prevent the risk of skin cancer. So just a little note in there. But let's go on, get to the water and get some footage of some kayaking. I'm pretty dang excited about this, so stay tuned. This is pretty cool. First time kayaking. Hey, this is not a tandem, but we're making it happen. Yeah, just paddled for maybe an hour. Pretty fun. And then my brother go back out. Thank you all for tuning in again to this episode of Toyota and Dodge Garage. Hope you enjoyed it. It's a little different, a little bit of a adventure, the first time kayaking. So I thoroughly enjoyed it. Definitely gonna have to do that again. That was really cool. So I'll put a link down for Lake Wheeler so y'all can check that out. Right now the water's about 2 feet too shallow, so no motorized trailer boats can't unload from a trailer. So kayaks, john boats, anything you can walk down to the water is fine. But other than that, ain't no motor boats out here. It's kind of nice actually if you're kayaking or paddleboarding. So you can also fish. Don't forget that. You do have to have your fishing license And I'll put the link down for Lake Wheeler, like I said, and you can check out the prices and everything. So thanks again for tuning in, and I'll catch y'all next time.